Thank you, Jesus. Let your glory fill this place. Let your all-consuming fire fill this tabernacle and purify our hearts. Surround us in this place. Want you to breathe new life within us. Send a refreshing love. Purify our hearts. Let your glory fill.
Let your glory fill this place.
Let your all-consuming fire, yeah,
Fill this tabernacle.
yeah.
Glorify our hearts.
Surround us in this place.
Surround us in this place.
Breathe new life.
Breathe new life.
Oh, within us, Jesus. Oh, yes. Come on, let's ask for the rain tonight. Let's ask for the rain. We see your glory. We see your glory, Lord. You're high and you're lifted up, and your train fills the temple. We worship you, we worship you, we worship you, we worship you. Oh, we worship you. Oh, we bow down in your presence as the angels do, and we cry, holy, 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 we see your glory. Let it be revealed in this place. Hey, do let it be revealed. Show yourself. We want to read.